How's everybody doing? I know, long time since I've done a video. And you know, most of the videos I'm doing for this channel is more or less install videos and that kind of thing, and just adventure. And I still owe you guys a video from Moab. I started to edit it and realized it was like 20-some minutes long, and I included a lot of stuff, and there's about a bunch of fun footage and some long, and I thought, well, you know what, you probably don't want to see just a bunch of long trail stuff, so I decided instead I'm going to re-edit and do a shorter video, and just to get you some of the fun stuff and everything in there. So still have that coming, but it has been beautiful this week. It's supposed to be nice next week as well. And this is Saturday. I just got back, got done from work. Check out this sunset. Beautiful sunset here. Looks better from over there, but beautiful sunset, especially with the Bronco. But we are going to be doing something hopefully tomorrow. Punching on the leaves. Hopefully tomorrow I don't have to rake any leaves. But tomorrow, hopefully, I'm going to add a little bit to this front bumper here. I'm going to put a winch in there. So I do have a dilemma though with that. I do have my little camera here, my front camera that I installed. That is just double-sided tape, so I can take that off. I think I have enough that I can pull that through. I have extra that I can pull that through and put it onto the winch. So I'm going to install a winch on here that we should need to install, and we will find out how I need to install that and see if this plate is going to be in my way. See if the bash plate is going to be in the way of that install of that. We'll see. I don't know. We'll find out, won't we? So anyway, we're going to, I actually came out to get the instructions. So let me show you what I got. I do have a rough country. There we go. Rough country front winch. And I was going to go with the 9,500 pound, but under better advice, they encouraged me to go with the 12,500. He says, you know what, you never know, if you're on a hill and pulling up, you might need that. So I'm over prepared on this. So this is a 12,500. Actually it says 12,000 S series, Pro series electric winch here. So we're gonna get that installed. Got the mount. I've got some extra diapers in here too. That's the store. Actually, that's not diapers. That's some, oh, that's some fun track. We gotta get that out and play with the grandson with that. Okay. Anyway, we have up here, this is the mount. This mount comes with an LED light. So this is the cool white DRL light that's gonna come with that for off-road use only. There we go. And then the mount is in this box right here. Still have some IAG stuff. Yeah, that needs to install. Did I ever do a video on the air up, air down? Maybe I didn't do that. Maybe I need to work on that too. I got the more flat air up, air down kit, and it works really well with the Thor's lightning bolt charger or compressor here. It works really good, and maybe I need to do a video on why I like that. There you go. But yes, so we have this. Of course, Blake is the aftermarket manager at Law MacArthur. That is not his address. That is Law MacArthur's address. Anyway, rough country. So let's see if we can do some unboxing and a little bit of this and get some instructions out, so I can, you know, kind of browse through the instructions tonight and make my life a little bit easier tomorrow. All right, got the box open. This box should be for the mount, so that light actually should be able to be visible through this area here. So actually, I think it's set up to where if you don't want the light, you can put this in place instead of the light. See if it shows an image of this. Oh, we got an accessory guide. That is not a good thing for me, but you know I'll be browsing it anyway. So we got that. Here's the mount right here. So what we got here? I haven't seen any of this stuff. Some of the plates, it looks like. Anything else? Some of the, oh, there's some lighting, screws, bolts, all that good stuff. Try to do this one-handed. I might need to get my GoPro mount out. I did get one of those. Thanks, Ragnarcon. That's your fault, because I saw your setup, and now that's what I'm doing. Okay. Anyway, here's the mount, and we'll see how that goes on. I haven't seen instructions yet. Oh, there's more of the mount. So again, still haven't seen instructions. Rough country. I'm thinking they're probably under here. There's another box under here. Or is that just a... Ah! Bumper sensor mounting kit. I don't think instructions will fit in there. So, we're probably going to need to look online. You know, companies, it would be really nice if you guys included like paper instructions. I do like paper instructions, because then I don't have to, then I can use my phone to record like I normally do. And then I can use, then I don't have to, then I can use paper instructions. So anyway, all right, unless, I mean, the mount is separate from the, when I ordered it, the mount was separate from everything else. So it shouldn't be in any other boxes, but online we go. All right, I got this out of the box. It was just outside wrapping on the box. Here is the, it says black cool white DRL 20-inch single row Cree LED bar. Anyway, it's funny, I already actually opened this, but let me show you. Anyway, well, shoot, now I can't get it open. There we go. Open this up because I want to show you something very funny. So, all right, so we got some boxes for some hearts and stuff. Sounds like some bolts or some screws as well. You can see there's the wiring. Looks like we got more wiring in here. Gotta get those wires. I'm gonna use, actually might be moving some wiring around because I do have some rough country lights. Let me show you this. So I have these lights. These are the only things wired to my auxiliary switches. And I have these on number 2. So what I think I'm gonna do is make the winch number 1, which has the most power, the front light bar number 2, and these number 3. Get it? Going kind of move my way back. So I'm probably gonna move those ditch lights to number 3 and make this one number 2. But the light bar's in there. But look here, we have instructions. Huh. Well, isn't that nice? Well, maybe they are they instructions? Yeah, see? There you go. That's it. That's all I'm asking for. Just give me some instructions like that for the mount. That'd be nice too. Maybe the mount's just so easy to figure out I don't need it, right? Just some bolts. I don't know. Maybe the instructions are in with the bolts. Maybe I need to go back and look at the box again. Maybe it's underneath everything. I'm just gonna pull everything out. I'm gonna find them. Maybe they're in there, because I did another rough country thing and it was in those. So anyway, so here's this light. I don't know if I wasn't gonna pull the light out, but maybe I will to show y'all. Let me put this down. So I don't know why I said y'all, because I'm not from Texas, but here you go. Here's this light, and it will go up in the mount. So I'll show you an image. Actually, you'll see it when we get done. Anyway, so this light will go in there. It has a cover on it, looks like. Maybe. Okay, so it's got a cover over it. Anyway, we'll deal with that later. But it's got a cover. It'll probably help for install and everything. That actually looks like that will be really easy to get in there and then run the wiring. So that part ought to be fairly easy. Anyway, so we'll get this put away, and including the instructions, and then continue to dig for the instructions on the mount. All right, so this part of the video is actually impromptu. I don't even have the microphone on or anything, but so this here, I did go ahead and take this off so you guys can see this. This is Pro Series 9500 or the 12,000, so it's 12,000, not 12.5. But here you go. Pretty much all the same stuff on each one. A little more horsepower motor, of course, on this one. You know, they all have pretty much everything else is the same. So 365:1 ratio reduction, or gear reduction ratio, 3-stage planetary gear train, Haas Fairlead. I don't even know what that is. So, folks, I'm sorry. I'm not a mechanic. If you've watched my YouTube channel, you'll know that. Synthetic rope. I went with synthetic versus the cable, and then the replaceable clevis hook, and then the winch mount. So you'll see how that looks. That I think I'll be able to put my camera right up here and run the wire up and around it. I hope, and not get in the way or mount on top. Part of me wants to do that, but also part of me wants to put like a cover over the winch that like maybe I can get a design, something cool over it. So if that's the case, I might have to go some other way on that. But anyway, so we'll see. We'll play it by ear. You never know. But anyway, the winch and all that, I'm not going to get this out of the box yet. Instructions on this, I mean, I don't think it's going to be too difficult. Maybe I am going to open this box. We'll see. Maybe I'll wait. Anyway, I don't think it'll be too difficult, but still searching for the instructions for that mount. You gotta look at how ridiculous I've been doing on this. So I've taken everything out of this box because this box actually was at the top and then wrapped around. I thought, well, maybe it's underneath the box. I looked everywhere for the instructions on this. Took everything out. You can see part of the mount's here. Like I said, I didn't plan on doing this tonight. Part of it's here. I got them all over the place. Got it here. But no instructions to be found. So yeah, online I go. I know Ragnacon, I know you and I are in the same boat here, where I think we both like paper instructions. Yeah, I even looked in this little box thinking, well, maybe they folded it up real nice in here. Nope, not in there either. So yeah, anyway, yeah, I looked in there. Yeah, nope. Okay, to the internet we go. Haven't looked inside the mount, because this mount is separate from the actual winch. So because you could actually go with a rough country mount and light and not go with their winch if you wanted to. So it's separate. So instructions should be separate, but oh well. So there we go. So we're gonna, I might look in this winch here. We'll see. Might be more video yet to come before tomorrow, and hopefully we get this installed tomorrow. I'm really excited about getting it on. It's gonna look cool and getting it on, and before we get to doing too much four-wheeling this summer, but looking forward to it. But here we go.